Well, this is overgrown.
Yeah.
Ever since we've been here.
It's so overgrown now. We've just had so much rain.
I know. I know the sunflowers weren't like this last time.
No. I mean, we had to have had at least double the rain this year.
Oh, absolutely. But those are perfect trees for a mountain lion just to chill in.
You know what's funny? Is I was thinking, those are perfect trees to climb up and just hang out. But then you're like, mountain lions, I guess they hang out in there too. That's like the perfect tree for when you're like 12 years old.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Climb up and just
Just
hang
to
out
climb
at
up.
the top. No, I'll never be fall out of.
I was just thinking the same thing. There's like so many trails with like in this trail.
Yeah.
Is that dead bird?
It was a dead bird.
Ooh, watch out. Look at them.
Just getting some rays, huh?
Just hanging out. No cares in the world. Whoop, that one cared.
Yeah.
This one's like, I don't know. What should I do?
He's like, alright, I'm out.
I'm out. I'm out. I remember this bridge being sketchy last time we were here. That's why I slowed down.
It's only gotten sketchier. Go through that thick brush. Watch out for the man-eating alligators.
Whew. We survived.
Yeah, it was rough. I don't know how we did it.
I don't know. It's cool looking, isn't it?
Yeah. It's cool how there's a tree growing right out of it.
Yeah.
I'm always amazed by that. Oh, here comes some more brush.
You scared me at first because I'm like, what? Are you gonna survive?
Time will tell. It's so cool seeing the grass.
I know. That cloud back there looks pretty cool too, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
It's like a big...
Explosion.
Yeah. I know, like, look at the grass. Don't you feel like you're on a prairie?
Yeah. I mean, this is kind of like, this is pretty much prairie back in the day, you know?
Or Yellowstone?
Yeah, something like that.
Straight?
Yeah.
Man. Trying to make us get our workout on.
Yeah, that's the whole point. Well, some of the point.
Looks like a cool trail though. The view is absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Look at this absolutely like stunning view. Cheyenne Mountain. Looking over the Front Range. Pikes Peak is straight ahead. Looking over into Garden of the Gods. Isn't this view like absolutely stunning?
Yeah, it's really nice. You can literally see the sun ray, or the sun shaft.
Oh yeah, right
Yeah,
there?
you see it coming down?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see them on video or not, probably not, but there is literally a sun shaft right in the middle.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
Just another field with a bunch of sunflowers.
Oh, there's just berries again.
Yeah, sumacs.
Yep. Yeah, look at these sunflowers. Just a huge open field of them.
And then look all the way down there too.
Absolutely love sunflowers. They're so gorgeous.
I don't know how well you can see this on the camera, but there's a whole entire field down there
There is, I see it.
covered with sunflowers.
Makes me just want to run through it.
Like a child.
Just like a child. If I knew there wasn't snakes in there, then I would run.
There are most definitely snakes in there. Maybe even some rattlers.
Yep, so I'll just fantasize it. You don't want to take the low road?
It's kind of weird.
The sun's coming out. I can feel it now.
Oh yeah.
Oh wow, look at this. How it just goes up and then down into like the prairie looking field. Be careful not to fall because you know your girl knows how to do that.
If there's a way to fall, she'll find it.
Trust me and believe me. Victoria knows how to fall. Oh look, someone's doing a tour.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's a fire truck up there.
Yeah. It's probably not a good sign.
Nope.
Someone probably got hurt.
Hope everybody's okay. Or they could just be doing their rounds. Maybe they have to come through here every so often.
Maybe. It's possible. Oh. We're walking the wrong way.
Oh, again?
We just keep doing that. We just keep walking, that's why.
We're not paying attention to all trails.
Yeah, it is a little mazy.
So if you definitely do this trail, you have to pay attention because there's trails.
Nice little cactus.
Oh, this is like a cactus field that you don't even want to get caught in.
Yeah, imagine stop, dropping, and rolling through this. It would not be pleasant.
No. There's a mountain lion tree. She's absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a great day too. Nice and cloudy, but not raining.
Nope. Still sweating a little bit, but not dying.
Yep. So it looks like we're right at the fork.
Right at the fort.
Yep.
You're paying attention.
Now.
Oh. Looks like there's probably a deer. Yep. Hear those sirens?
That's not good.
Oh look, that's the road up to Pikes Peak.
Yeah. I think.
Oh yeah.
She likes this place a lot.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah. Someone's sitting up there.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
That might be that back trail.
Yeah, that we're trying to get to. Watch out, horse poop. Horses are allowed on these trails. Look how like overgrown this is.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's pretty hard.
I don't know, I don't like the way it touches my legs.
Not great.
This is safe and not poisonous.
Yeah, I really hope this isn't poisonous.
Man, you really do feel like you're in a jungle. It's funny. Watch out for this bridge.
Oh, wow. Be
Looks
careful.
sketchy.
Yeah, I know you and bridges.
Yeah, I freaking hate bridges. Any type of bridge.
My mom hates them too.
Especially the ones at the beach. Scare me.
So it's
Ooh, look, it's cactus.
Oregon?
Tarragon.
Oh,
Like the stuff you cook with. That's what this stuff is.
it has a long history of culinary use due to its specific aroma that
How
comes
did
from
I know?
essential oils.
How'd I know?
But it's not safe for pets apparently. Well, I mean, it's like everything else. They say it's not safe, but it just gives them a mild stomachache.
Yeah. There's some really sandy spots on this trail, isn't it? It's a nice tree, isn't it?
It's a great tree.
Here's my stairs again.
Handling them much better than last time.
Oh man.
And we ran yesterday.
Maybe that's why. This view is gorgeous.
Yeah. Oh look, someone has a little rock thing down here.
Oh. Oh, like someone got bored on their little walk.
It might have been that little girl up there.
It's kind of cool looking. And my flowers, I don't know what the flowers these are, but
Right. You remember last time we were here and there was that guy with his headphones just sitting with his back turned?
oh yeah, over there.
And I was like, I know there's not a lot of like predators here because of all the people, but man, you just look like bait. Don't know if you made it or not.
I have no clue.
He probably made it.
Dude, don't you smell horses?
Yeah, it's the poop right
Oh,
there.
there's some poop right there.
too. Look at this.
What is it? Hear that cricket?
Yeah.
Oh, is this where we cross over?
Yeah. Just be careful because these cars can fly through here.
Yeah, I know.
Nice.
Oh, this is my workout stair step machine. I don't have to go to the gym.
Yeah, I remember this.
Watch your step. I'm really saying that for me because you know how I am. Well, maybe I should say it for you too. Remember that time that
Yep. I don't remember that time.
you fell
Nope.
down a mountain?
Nope.
Twisted your ankle?
Don't remember that.
Oh, you don't?
Nope.
Had to have some guy help us all the way down too?
Never happened.
So you're telling me you didn't hairline fracture your ankle?
Shout out to that random guy that carried me down like a baby. I hope he's doing well.
That looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. Looks like a little flash Black Creek.
Something happened there.
Yeah. Not a place you'd want to be in.
No. It's a nice day to ride motorcycles.
This will be a great day. I'm honestly surprised that we haven't even gotten one drop yet.
With rain?
I probably just jinxed it, but still.
Yeah. You ready for a workout?
Go left here. Ooh, that place is so good.
Oh, it feels absolutely amazing.
Just put these in your bag.
Okay.
These are absolutely useless.
Oh, that's why there's a lot of people putting a parking lot right there. We can walk this area. Oh, this is a watch your ankles.
No. Ankle breakers here.
Fouled out. I'm dying.
Yeah, yeah. This is not pleasant.
No. This is horrible. Look at that view though.
Oh yeah, it's great.
I think this part is my favorite part. Oh, I lied. There's some more stairs.
There's always more.
When you think you're done, you're not. Remember last time we were here, it rained?
Yeah,
Oh, both times.
both times.
But the time before that, we got a gorgeous rainbow.
Yeah, it was nice. There's your kissing camels.
Here's the backside of them.
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous. And down we go. If you don't want to hike through this, there is a road that takes you through it. But you don't get the amazing like tall views as you do here.
Yeah, it's way better back here.
It's absolutely way better.
See the whole park and all the people walking around.
You just get to experience Garden of the Gods like at a different angle, and it's absolutely amazing.
I think they used to have jaguars here,
You think so?
like many years ago.
Did you almost fall?
No? Did it sound like I almost fell?
Yeah.
Sly.
Is it? Oh yeah, I don't think your mom could have went this high.
No. She would have not been happy about this. Especially because it's kind of sketchy, like footing.
Oh yeah.
Just here now.
There's a helicopter.
Dang it, Dick! Why'd you get me up here? And then you'd be dragging them the whole time.
Yeah. I like how scenic like this trail is.
It's very nice.
It makes you work your butt off, but it's rewarding with all like the scenic views that you get. Look, more cactus. Cactus are like everywhere.
Yeah.
On this trail. So watch out. We don't want to follow that. There's more of your finger.
Oh yeah.
We call this a foot cactus.
Unofficially.
Man, look at all that.
Yeah, I guess the little toes are like new cactuses that have been bloomed or whatever. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like once we get closer to that, it looks like fingers, doesn't it?
Yeah. You know what the great thing about Colorado is versus North Carolina?
What?
There's no webs.
No webs.
There's some big spiders in the ground, but you don't ever just walk through a web like you do in North Carolina.
You're right, you're right.
Those camel spiders, though.
Oh man. We've had like 4 of them in our apartment.
Babies, but still, even the babies are like a couple inches long.
They look absolutely just. It's so cool.
Yeah, this kind of sidewalk.
It looks freaking huge, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's a big old rock.
You know, I could get a job.
I don't think the GoPro's doing justice.
Just up there eating stuff.
You see the kissing camel?
Yeah.
Yeah. On a hunt for our bighorn sheep.
We've already seen one at the top of the ledge.
Where people are surrounded by it.
Honestly, he's probably scared. He's probably been up there all day, you know?
Yeah, he's probably like, okay, peeps, I want to
He's
get
just
down
waiting for
now.
people to let him come down.
Bless his heart. This is where rattlesnake sentry's gonna be. This is my favorite part of the trail. Well, one of my favorites. There's the kissing camels, the famous thing at Garden of the Gods.
Just out. Remember the last time this is where we saw the deer?
Oh yeah. They're so overgrown now that they would be so blended up in here.
They could be anywhere and you wouldn't be able to see them. And they like to lay down too.
Yeah.
Park is nice.
And then right there you get all those little foothills with Cheyenne Mountain in the very back.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are at the end of our trail. We are going to walk back to the parking lot. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you have, just like and subscribe and follow us for more of our adventures.